Hello, hello. Jillian Sabrika here from Team Tim McKinney Realtor Reporter. Tim is on location with Mitch Panchuk. Tim?
Thanks, Jillian. We're here on site, Highway 37 and Black Diamond Road with Mitch Panchuk. What's happening on this site?
Well, there's a lot happening here. This is going to be the new home for the Belleville Agricultural Society and the Quinte Fall Fair and Exposition, which is now going to be celebrating its 205th birthday, one of the longest running fairs in all of Canada. City Council's made a deal to relocate them here. They're going to have about a 30-acre parcel of land for their activities, and then the rest of the land we're going to be selling off as industrial lots. So about 1-acre lots. You can see business condos here, yards, in small light use. But this is an amazing opportunity. Right now, Corporate Development Services are doing all the servicing. That means they're running water, power, sanitary services, all that great stuff will be coming here, and it's going to allow us to be able to use the entire lot for so much more than what was here before.
That's great, because there's a real need for 1-acre sites for businesses. So
yeah, we saw at other places we're selling large parcels, but we're also selling some small ones. And you're right, there really is a need in all of Eastern Ontario. We're doing it here because we want people to move their businesses here, to start their businesses here, to be able to not just support our local economy, but also be able to export outside of Belleville. Agriculture is one of the main drivers in Ontario, and we're proud here in Belleville that we're going to be one of the biggest supporters.
Great. Well, thanks very much for joining us today.
My pleasure.